Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ravencoin RVN. Let's go! Alright, I am talking to you through some earbuds and using my phone. So this is the first time I have attempted to use my phone to record a video. I'm out of town right now, so yeah, we'll see how this works. Ravencoin, I'm going to do some quick updates since there is definitely movement in the market. Ravencoin on the weekly time frame, you can see that we have gotten back into the triangle. So let me zoom out here. So here's our triangle. I have changed my chart, so I am using the Gate.io chart because I was originally using the Binance US chart, and we all know what happened to that. And it looks like the Gate.io chart is very similar to the Binance US, so I switched over to that. Let's go in. So we are back into our triangle here as we had dipped out. I'm starting to see, well, let's zoom in here. So we got a green dot on the weekly time frame, so that's a good sign. And let's move into the daily time frame here, and here's what I've been waiting for a little bit. So you can see that on the daily time frame, the volume has started to come in. So we do have a large volume. Here's my brush. So we got the large volume candle right there coming in. But what I am also seeing that I'm not really liking is this very large wick right there as we've broken back into the triangle. And you can see that we've got like a cup and handle pattern forming here. Here's your cup. Here's your handle. These are terrible. I'm attempting to do this on the phone for the first time, so bear with me here. So you got like a cup and handle pattern forming there. And let's just grab a quick price target. I'm going to do a conservative price target for this cup and handle, if that is the case. And so a conservative price target for this cup and handle would bring us right to where basically we had gotten to and then wicked down according to this chart. So that had gotten us all the way up to the 02383 area. So basically this cup and handle pattern is complete. And you can see that we got a massive rejection up there. Now let's move over to the side and see what we're looking at here. So yeah, you can see, let me put out a line here. You can see that we had support right over here. I don't have a mouse to show you where I'm going, so I'm going to try and do it with this pen here. And then we have a lot of support right here as well, and then it turned into resistance. So you can see that we've gotten rejected pretty heavily at that resistance level. But the good news is we are back into the triangle. Again, the cup and handle W pattern I do think has played out. But let's zoom in just a little bit here to the 12-hour. So far, we are creating a bearish divergence on the 12-hour. Now, that could change depending on where the RSI is going to go. You can see that we have higher highs here. And on the RSI down here, we have a lower high so far forming. Now, it's not complete yet, so we'll just have to see where that goes. Let's go down to the 4-hour really quick. And right now, we are actually on the 4-hour doing a retest of that. So we broke through, and now we are retesting. I'd say we're retesting the larger macro triangle, but also that previous resistance. So we had the resistance right here, and then we've broken through it, and now we are kind of fighting to retest it over here on the 4-hour. Now, the bad news is we have a red dot coming in on the 4-hour, so need to pay attention to that. We did have that really large candle come in for the volume, but the volume is pretty much gone after that. What I do also like is that we were over bought here on the RSI on the 4-hour, so that to me is a good sign. That means the bulls are coming back into the market, in my opinion, and so we did get that move to the upside, and now we're just trying to find some kind of a support here. So we'll just have to keep our eyes on this. Let's see if I can zoom out on the 4-hour here just a little bit. Actually, I'm going to go back to the daily, and so on the daily, let me pull out my higher low, higher highs here, and so yeah, we've created a new high. So let's move out to the weekly here really quick. And I'm going to put a fib just to give some price targets here from this high over here to this low right here. And Okay, so we are running right into the... Hold on, let me try and get rid of this circle here. Okay, so you can see that on the weekly time frame, we are running right into this retracement at the 382, getting stuck there. I think we're going to break above that. So I think that our price targets that we're looking for right now, first off would be the 618 here, sitting at that 026 area. And then the next one over here would be the 786 area at the 03073 area. And if we create a new high on the weekly time frame, that would mean that we've broken to the upside of the triangle. Now, the only way that this is going to get to any kind of price target that I had previously had, like the $1.60 range, now that is... Now, I did say earlier when we broke down from this triangle that it could be a fake out to the downside. I'm still not seeing the positive... I'm not seeing enough volume for me to think that this is going to blast off anytime soon. I think that we need to get a little bit more volume in there. You can see if we zoom over to the left over here that the volume candles over here are so much higher than the current volume right now. So if we can get a decent sized volume candle coming in, then I'm going to get a little bit more bullish on the Ravencoin price. But right now, I think we're just struggling to get back into this triangle, hold inside the triangle, and if we can create that new high, that would mean that we've broken out of the triangle to the upside. And hopefully, if we do get that newer high, that's where the volume would start coming in. Now, this triangle still has quite a ways. Now, we still have all the way till the end of the triangle to get the breakout, which brings us all the way to January of 2024. And so let's just keep our eyes on the volume and see what happens. Anyways, yeah, I'm glad I can bring this video to you while I'm out. I'll continue to try and do this, and I'll make a couple more videos. This is going to be a portrait mode video, so it's not going to be the best, but at least I can get some content out to you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I will talk to you later.